In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add that reminders widget on your iPhone lock screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need just to swipe down from the top of the screen when our device is unlocked. After that, long press somewhere at an empty space to activate that mode. Now we need to tap right here at Customize button and then select our lock screen. On the next step, just tap right here at that widgets bar, and now we can add some widgets here. Now I'm gonna remove current one to show you all the process from the beginning. So now all we have to do in order to add reminders widget right here to that bar is just scroll down until we find reminders here. I'm just gonna select it. Here we got just one option, so I can just tap right here to immediately place that widget to the widgets bar, or we can drag it and place it manually in that way. After that, you can try to add another widgets here, like weather one and the Facebook widget also. And then to go out of this mode and to save the changes, just hit right here and then tap at done. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.